Let us discuss the role of fertilizers. It increases productivity, a positive correlation between use of fertilizers and crop yields. Crop yield is falling and not in proportionate to fertilizer consumption. Artificial inoculation of rice and other crop fields with cyanobacteria, that is, Anabaena, Calothrix, Gleocapsa, Lyngbia, Nostoc, Oscillatoria, Scytonema, has attracted much attention to increase the fertility in several countries. The term biofertilizer denotes all the nutrient inputs of biological origin for plant growth. Biological origin refers to microbes producing nitrogen compounds. Bacteria and cyanobacteria are known to fix atmospheric nitrogen and known as biofertilizers. Nitrogen fixing bacteria like Azotobacter, Bacillus, and Rhizobium increase the crop yield to 20%. Pseudomonas striata are used as seed inoculants as biofertilizer coats for cereals. What do you know about green manuring? Various leguminous plants like Crotalaria junkia, Cassia mimosoides, Glycine max, Indigo ferrulinifolia, Sespaniostrata, Acacia nilotica, Lucina, Lathyrus, and Mucuna are used as green manures. They accumulate more than 80 kilograms of nitrogen per hectare in the soil when grown as green manures. Azolla is an aquatic fern which contains an endophytic cyanobacterium, Anabaena azolae, in its leaves. It is used as a biofertilizer in rice fields. Out of 6 species of Azolla, Azolla pinnata is widely employed as a successful biofertilizer in Indian rice fields. It adds 30 kg of nitrogen per hectare, where the yield is equivalent to that of urea or ammonium phosphate.